Do you want to remove the SIM card out of Nokia 105? Well, first things first, you want to power off the Nokia 105. Then you want to flip it over. So you see this little access point here. And you want to get your finger and prise off the back. You may hear some crunches and cracks, but this is perfectly normal. Once the back's off, you can lay them both down on the floor and you'll be able to take out the battery like this. Now, this is where it gets a little more tricky. So let's move the battery back. So if you see this little dodger here, this is keeping in the SIM card. So what you want to do is you want to maybe pick it up, might be easier. And you want to press this down and then rub on the SIM card, because you see it move then, and now it is across that little dodger. Now it'll easily slip out, and that's how to remove the SIM card from the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out this playlist here, where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials. Thanks for watching.